In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your workspace in Capture One. A well-organized workspace lets you work faster and stay focused on your images. Capture One makes this easy with presets and flexible panels, so we'll start with a solid foundation and then fine-tune the layout to match the way you like to edit. First, choose a workspace preset. In the top menu, go to Window, then Workspace. You'll see options like Default, Migration, and Simplified. Default is the standard layout, with your tools on the left and the image browser on the right, which is a great all-round starting point. Migration is designed to feel familiar if you're coming from Lightroom, so it can shorten the learning curve. Simplified pares things back to reduce visual clutter. Pick the one that feels closest to your style. If you ever change your mind, just return to Window, Workspace, and pick another preset to instantly reset. Next, rearrange your panels and tool tabs to prioritize what you use most. Tool tabs, such as Exposure, Color, and Details, live along the side of the interface. You can drag their icons left or right to reorder them, bringing your most used tabs to the most convenient spots. If you don't see a tab you want, right-click in the Tool tab bar to add it, and remove tabs you never touch. The idea is to keep your essential controls one click away. Inside each tool tab, you can add or remove individual tools. Right-click on the tab's empty area and choose Add Tool to place a specific tool into that tab. For example, you might add the histogram to your Exposure tab, or bring Color Balance into a color-focused tab. If a tool isn't helpful for your workflow, remove it to clear space. Less clutter means faster decisions and more room for the sliders you rely on. Finally, try floating panels for a multi-monitor setup or a cleaner single-screen view. Grab any panel by its title bar and drag it away from the main interface to pop it out as a floating window. You can resize and position it exactly where you want, perhaps tools on one monitor and your image full screen on the other. To put a panel back, drag it toward the interface until it docks. That's it. Start with a preset, refine your tool tabs and tools, and use floating panels when you need extra flexibility. Customize patiently, test it on a few edits, and keep tweaking until the workspace truly fits the way you work.